My name is Vaishnavi Bharadwaj. I'm a student of BCA 3rd Sem Batch 1, and today I'm here to discuss on the topic multitasking. So what do you understand by multitasking? In personal experience, I believe that doing two or more than works simultaneously at the same time and performing them efficiently and correctly without any problem and errors is multitasking. Multitasking can be very efficient at some times by helping you to do many things at the same time and helping you with the time management and helping you improve and increase the productivity of your work. But at some point it has its disadvantages with it as well. So it can increase mental problems, and it can like increase causes of errors in your work or whatever you're doing. So it's not like multitasking we only do or perform in professional world, or we can actually see it in our daily life. As a student, what we do, we listen to the teachers, we understand the lectures they're giving us, and at the same time we are writing the notes. So what we are doing here, we are multitasking three things at the same time. So at some point there are many students who can completely compete with that and do all that thing, but at some point there are some students who lack at that. And it's not I could say that it's not bad. At some point there might be other people as well that will lack in it. We can see our mothers, they're doing dishes at the same time while they're cooking. This is also multitasking. There are many things we do as as a student, as a person. We quietly use multitasking in our daily life. In conclusion, I would say multitasking can be efficient if you're very mentally stable and you can perform all of that work in very efficiently and easily manner. But at the same time, it can cause you problems. It can increase errors and mental disorders, mental disturbance at the same time. So in my personal experience, multitasking can be very easy if you use it efficiently. Thank you.